Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous mulberry for you today. So this is the Mulberry Willow clutch and I just love it. It's in a gorgeous silky calf leather and I really like this calf leather because it's a little bit more durable than other leathers like lambskin, but it's still super soft, silky like the name. It's really nice. So we've got black and gold. It's a really nice classic colour combination. It's a nice simple design as well, so I'm going to talk you through all the features of it. So we have an envelope flap closure, and on the back we've got one exterior zipped pocket that's got that nice chunky mulberry zip pull. So I'll open that up and show you inside there. So you've got a nice big bit of space outside there, lovely soft suede lining as well. All of this bag is just really lovely and soft. And then this envelope flap closure has got that classic mulberry postman's lock there too. Let me open it up so you can see inside. So inside again we've got that gorgeous suede lining, we've got one zipped pocket, and we have got that mulberry badge, mulberry label with the little mulberry tag and the serial code on the back of there as well. So it's really gorgeous. We have called the condition good all around. So the exterior, interior and the hardware are all good, so I'll show you why. So this calf leather has got some signs of use to it. There's no kind of major signs of wear. The corners actually are still really nice. They're in a lovely condition. They haven't really got any wear to them at all. But it's just kind of got slight marks on it. So you can see just here, very slight kind of crease marks. A little bit of a kind of sparkling mark just there. So the kind of marks that you'd only see in very certain lighting, but nothing major at all. You can just kind of tell that it has been owned and used before. And then the hardware, it's a gorgeous gold colour, and all of it has still got that really lovely gold colour. None of it has kind of gone silver or anything, but it just has hairline scratches to it. So you can see that again, just in certain lighting. And then underneath you can see a little bit more of that kind of wear to the plaque under there. And then interior we've called good. Again, just light marks, so you can see a very small mark there. And you can just tell that that suede has been used before. Got a little bit of marking inside there. So overall it is in a nice condition, and that's why I've called it good all around. It is really gorgeous, and I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the mulberry box. It's a nice big mulberry box, so if you're looking for a gift for somebody, it's always nice when it comes with the box. We have the original receipt, we have the mulberry product tag, and the mulberry care guide as well. If you'd like to see it online on our website, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this mulberry on armcandybagco.com. If it does, that is perfect. It means it's still available. But if it takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you're a mulberry lover and you've missed out on this one this time, let us know. We'll get you on the request list and we'll let you know as soon as we have in another one. So get onto that request list if you are interested, but before you do that, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and I am 5'4", and it's just really nice to hold. It's nice and slim, so it works really well as a clutch. And again, that leather is just going to be really nice and durable, so you don't have to worry about kind of battering it a little bit. So have a look at this on armcandybagco.com, and don't forget, while you're on there, sign up to our newsletter to get your welcome discount code, and have a look at the how to sell with us page if you have any gorgeous bags like this one that you are looking to sell. All the details you need to know are on there, and we'll see you very soon with some more.